Welcome to Take a Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove Microsoft Bing search from your Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go ahead and open up your Edge browser. And after that, just go to the URL bar or the search bar and search for anything. And as you can see, it is being searched using Bing. And to stop this, what you have to do is come here and click on the three dot icon, which is the settings and more button. Just click on it. Then just go to settings. From settings, on the left hand menu, you'll find privacy, search, and services. Just click on that. From here, you'll see search at the bottom. Just click on search and connected experience. From here, you'll find address bar and search. Just go inside this. From here, right at the top, you'll see search engine used in the address bar. It is currently set to Bing, which is the recommended default, but you can change it to Yahoo, DuckDuckGo, Yandex, or even Google. I'm just gonna set it to Google. And then just open a new tab. From here, search anything you want again. So, as you can see, it is using Google search for it. And basically that is how to remove Bing from Microsoft Edge on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.